Hello and welcome. In this video series, I'm going to talk about the Cort cards. We can break down everything into modules. We have different modules for how we look at spirituality. For the Tarot Cort, there are two different modules. One is the family dynamics and the other is the archetype. So that's the module that we're working from. So let's talk about the flow of the elements around the zodiacal belt. The order, in case you hadn't noticed, it goes just like everything else: earth, air, water, fire. Usually they show it starting with Aries because it's the cardinal fire and it's spring. So they start on fire. It goes fire, then earth. There are 360 degrees in a circle. We can divide that by 12 and we get 30. So each zodiac sign, because there's 12 zodiac signs, takes up 30 degrees of the circle. That we cut further into sections of 10 degrees, and we call them decans, because deca is 10, so decans. We have 40 small cards in tarot. We have 1 to 10 of each element. So 4 elements, just like in the zodiac, we have 1 to 10 of each number. Of the 10 small cards in each suit, the ace represents a season. So we take those out and each ace represents a season. 4 aces, 4 seasons. We have princesses, and we assign those with the aces as well. So they're grouped with the aces, and more about them really in the family module of the Tarot Cort. In the archetype, they really don't get much notice. They're grouped with the aces for now. What we're left with is 36 cards. It's 2 to 10 of each suit, and those are assigned to each decan in the zodiac. So 3 cards to each zodiac sign. Also assigned to each one of these decans are the planets, so they also flow and are attached as well, and we'll get into that. Because there's 365 days a year and not 360, they don't all equal 10 days, but it's about 10 days. It's 11 in 5 cases. Now the Cort cards can be looked at as a grouping of decans. Through that, we will blend together the zodiac signs. And that's a much better representation of people, because this is the representation of the archetype. These are the fundamental archetypes that we're going to discuss in this series.